Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see how we can use Azure VM run command. Before we start, let's quickly cover what Azure VM run command. Azure VM run command is a feature that will help us to execute PowerShell script and command remotely on your Azure virtual machine without taking RDP. Now let's see how to use Azure run command. To perform this activity, we will need Azure VM. So let's start. So this is my Azure subscription. I already have a Azure VM created. So let me go to the Azure VM. We'll go to the virtual machine service. Here we have, so this is the VM I already have created. Once you click on operation, under operation you will get this run command. So once you click on run command, you will get multiple predefined scripts. So if you can see, here we have a first execute PowerShell script which will help to run the custom script. The second one is the disable network level authentication. So today we are going to see how we can disable NLA with the run command and few other script as well. We'll cover those into our next video. So I'm going to click on disable NLA. Once you click on disable NLA, you will get the script. So what exactly is going to happen when we run this run command? It is going to update the registry setting or registry value of this user authentication value. Right now on a Windows server it might be set 1 as a enable and we are going to set 0. Please note that a restart is required to take effect. Before we execute the script, we'll go to the VM, we'll validate the existing setting and then we'll come back to the Azure portal and we'll run the script. So let's quickly go to the VM. I already have a RDP access. So here we are going to see what is the NLA settings we have in our Azure virtual machine. To check the NLA setting, we have to go to the advanced system setting. You need to click on remote. Here you will see the allow connection only from the computer running remote desktop with network level authentication. This option we are going to uncheck. We are going to validate that registry setting which we have seen into the PowerShell script. So if you can see, so this is the path. If you can see, local machine, system, current control, terminal server, RDP TCP. Under this RDP TCP, we have a user authentication. So if you can see, right now we have a value data is a 1. And once we execute that script, it will get changed with 0. So let's quickly go back to the Azure VM. Yep. So here we go. We are going to run this command. Let's click on run. So once you click on run, it will start. You can see this script execution is right here. It will get complete within a minute, but as they mentioned, we need to take a reboot to take the effect. Yeah, here we go. Configuring registry to disable the network level authentication, restart the VM, and here also you will see the state execution is complete. So what we are going to do, we are going to quickly reboot the server and then we'll validate the setting as well. So let me reboot the server. Here we go. So we have restarted the VM. So I am going to take RDP of this VM. So let's go back to the MSTSC. IP is already there. Let's go to the server. Here we go. We are going to see the setting first from the advanced option. Advanced system setting, click on remote. Yeah, here we go. So before executing the script, it was a checkbox enable. Now we have unchecked through this script. We'll validate the registry as well. So same to the user authentication value. So earlier it was 1 and now it is 0. So this is how we can use Azure run command to execute the script remotely from the portal itself. So let's go back to the Azure VM quickly. Let me click on run command once again. So as I said that we can use a custom script as well. So I'm going to show you two example of the custom script, how we can use custom script into the run command. So what we are going to see, I have one custom script. I'm going to execute that custom script into this run command. Users need to click on run PowerShell script. I already have a script ready. So this what this script is going to do. This script is going to check whether machine is joined domain or workgroup. We'll click on run and we'll see the output. So this is the one example I'm showing you. The script will help us to understand. Now the output is there. The machine is part of workgroup. So one another example, let's say you have a user created into the VM but somehow you forgot the username. So how you will get that username? It's simply you just need to run the that get command, get local user command into this run command, and you will get the quickly output. Here we go. So we got the output where we can able to see that we have a Azure admin as a user and few other details. And let's say as we check that we disable the network level authentication. So can we enable back again? Yes, we can. You just need to simply change the value. So let's say you want to enable back. So you just what you need to do? You just need to copy this command, close this, come back to the run command and paste here. Go to the script, change the value 1 and execute the script. Yeah, here we go. So we have successfully changed the value. Let's go back to the server once again. Let me refresh this one and we'll see whether that value is changed or not. Right now it is 1. Run once again. It will not take effect until unless you reboot the server. So execute once again. So we'll wait for a few minutes more and then yeah, here we go. Now script is executed successfully. We'll go back to the server once again and let me validate the registry here. Now again value 1 to 0. So that's it. Today we have successfully used Azure VM run command to disable the NLA. So in conclusion, Azure VM run command will help us to perform routine maintenance tasks as well as some troubleshooting. So and it will save your time as well. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.